Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to replace the tail light assembly or just the bulbs, the light bulbs inside your tail light on a FIAT 500. You'll be all ears with that tail light, as you can see. And there is two bolts that we need to remove, one here and one right there, and they're with 10mm socket. So just take them off all the way. Sometimes you can use a screwdriver, but they're too tight sometimes. Okay, after you remove these two, the headlight still will be stuck there. So you need to grab with both hands and pull. And right here there is two glides that go inside these holes. Okay, you can see those right here. And that's what's preventing it from coming off. And now if you want to replace it, and you need to lift like that and pull. You'll be stuck pretty good because there is a rubber seal preventing water going inside the plug. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's how you remove the tail light. If you need to just replace it, that's how you do it. And now we need to show you guys how you can do your bulbs, how to replace them. You need a T25 socket. This is the star looking one. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe. We upload a new video almost every day. And now we need to take, there is one screw right here that we need to take. As you can see, one there, one right here in this corner. So we need to remove this one as well. And after that we need to remove one in the top corner, top left corner. Okay, it's right there. Just take it off, and after that there is one more, which is the fourth one. So altogether 4 screws we need to remove, and take them off all the way. And now the cap will come out, and that's where your bulbs are located, right here. Okay, now this is the turn signal bulb right here, and this is the brake light bulb and the tail light, and this is reverse, as you can see. And if you want to replace them, all you need to do, you need to just grab the light bulb and turn it, okay, like that, and pull it out. And then it goes again, and you just turn it like that. So that's the whole procedure. Now if you need to put it back together, you just grab the thing, make sure that the seal is in place, and you just install it on the tail light, get the 4 screws tightened, put the plug, the 2 bolts, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.